Have you heard of panzanella? It's an Italian bread salad. Yes, bread salad. If you're on keto, you might want to look away. This here is Carb City. Start with prepping some chicken breasts to grill. Brush them with olive oil and season with a bit of salt and pepper. You can prep some tomatoes to go on the grill too. Toss them with some olive oil. The different parts of the salad go on in stages. The chicken goes on first since it cooks the longest. I have baking stone garlic bread from Hy-Vee, which already has a garlic mixture on it. Garlic bread is an easy way to punch up the flavor in my panzanella. The bread's going to get crispy and a little charred. Then the tomatoes go on for a couple minutes just to soften a bit. For the dressing, mash up some of the grilled tomatoes with salt and pepper. Then add olive oil and Dijon mustard. That's ready to go. Cut up the grilled chicken into 1-inch pieces, same with the bread. They go in a bowl with the grilled tomatoes, some smoked mozzarella, cucumbers, and basil ribbons. Right before serving, toss the salad with the tomato dressing. The basil and the cucumbers and the garlic, I wish you could smell this.